Trump's 26% tariff shock. India faces major setback as US tightens import rules. Hi, I am Sneha Biswas and you are watching the Free Press Journal. In a dramatic shift that could disrupt India's export landscape, US President Donald Trump has announced a steep 26% reciprocal tariff on all Indian goods to be effective from April 9. The announcement was made during his Liberation Day address. Despite referring to Prime Minister Narendra Modi as a great friend, Trump accused India of charging exorbitant tariffs on American products for decades, while the US, he claimed, had exercised leniency. He also claimed them discounted reciprocal tariffs. They are charging us 52% and we charge almost nothing for years and decades, Trump said, justifying the tariff as a way to level the playing field. India is reportedly considering reducing tariffs on $23 billion worth of US imports, particularly in gems, jewelry, pharmaceuticals and auto parts, to de-escalate the situation. However, no official agreement has been reached. The new tariffs will impact key Indian sectors, many of which rely heavily on the US market. Among the worst hit will be Number 1. Automobile sector. The 26% reciprocal tariff comes in addition to an existing 25% tariff on imported cars and auto parts, effective April 2 for cars and light trucks and May 3 for other parts. Number 2. Information and technology. Another high-risk zone is IT services, a sector where India has significant export dependency on the US. The Trump administration is reportedly considering tariff measures that would directly target this sector. Some of the major sectors that have apparently been saved from the wrath of tariff war include pharmaceutical sector along with the crucial semiconductor business. In addition, other segments like copper, lumber, silver, gold and minerals have also eluded these tariffs. With this, what is your take on the matter? Do you think that the US did right? Drop your views in the comments below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Free Press Journal. Thank you for watching.